Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is Google Sheets, freezing rows and columns. Everyone has received a spreadsheet with column and row headers. It is important to be able to continue to see these headers when you are scrolling through the page. To make sure that you can continue to see these rows and columns, you can freeze them in place. Let's look at how to freeze rows and columns. To freeze one row and column, open or create a spreadsheet with row and column headers. Click the cell to the right and below where you want to freeze. Click View, click Freeze, and click one row. Click View and click Freeze again, and click one column. Take note that you will see gray lines where the rows and columns are froze. And you can see by my actions here that the row does not move at the top and the column does not move on the left. To freeze up to row 4 and over to column C, open or create a spreadsheet with row and column headers. Click in cell C4. Click View, click Freeze, and click up to row 4. Click View and click Freeze again, and click up to column C. As you can see, the gray lines indicate where the rows and columns are froze. You will see that nothing from row 4 up will move as I scroll down, and nothing from column A over to column C will move from the left as I scroll left to right. Do you have a question about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.